Now we good. We don't got to worry about the plastic just burnt. Oh, damn, my dread's finna get caught on fire. We're brothers. We're happy and we're vlogging and we're colored. Do-do-do-do. Give me a high five. Oh, come on. What's good, Brody? Man, welcome back to Brody Vlog.
Yes, sir. How y'all feeling today, man?
Yes, sir. This is Americans trying Indian Maggi Noodles for the first time.
Yes, sir, man. If you don't know and you never been here, we are from America, you know what I'm saying? But we got some Maggi Noodles that are from India, you know what I'm saying? But these are supposed to be fire, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna go ahead and try them.
Nick, I hope they fire, because I'm hungry as hell.
Bro,
right
I'm
now.
hungry, bro. I'm finna smash, bro.
That's
On
what
me,
I'm
bro.
saying.
So look,
Okay,
man.
go ahead and show them the Maggi
Bro,
Noodles.
look, I gotta go ahead and
We
show
got
you.
Maggi Noodles for
We got
days.
Maggi Noodles for days, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man.
Look,
Look, bro.
boom.
Look, bro. Maggi masala, you know what I'm saying? Maggi masala, you know what I'm saying? Right, steak.
I tried to do the Maggi spread. You feel me? It is Maggi spread. Come on, Nick, go ahead. Go ahead.
Maggi spread.
Okay.
Tide, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that.
That's nice.
All right.
But
But
look though,
you know what I'm
look,
saying?
we got 2-minute Maggi noodles. I don't know for a fact if these even cook in 2 minutes, but I'm a little bit skeptical because I like my food a little bit
Look,
overcooked.
man, you can't never listen to what the package say, so we gonna cook them about 4 to 6 minutes, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying.
But we gonna go ahead and get into it, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button,
Hey,
man.
make sure y'all hit that like button,
And make
y'all.
sure you hit the damn post notification bell.
Without further ado, let's go.
Maggi masala.
Man, you know if you cooking noodles, you gotta get the water boiling first.
Fight my demons, trying to get even. I'm on high like I'm pledging allegiance. Couldn't believe it, I thought I was dreaming.
Nick, come on, dog.
Alright,
It's
man.
time to start
Come on
cooking.
now, you know.
All right, y'all. So look. They say that you gotta break the noodle pattern. Hold on, dog. This look a little bit too close to the ramen noodles.
Bro, I'm telling you,
I don't
I'm
know about
pretty sure this is just ramen noodles.
It gotta be, Nick. This is
Bro,
a
look
ramen
at
noodle
this. Look
pattern.
at this. This is the same thing as ramen noodle. I mean, come on now. It smell like
Come
it.
here. It smell like ramen noodles, dog. It smell like ramen noodles.
They like ramen noodles don't smell like anything, but I'm telling you, when it get done, it don't smell like it. Come on.
I know what ramen noodles smell like,
Okay,
Nick. You
but
feel
look,
me?
look.
They
It
say
says
you gotta break it down
you know what I'm saying?
into like 4 pieces. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and break it down into 4 pieces.
or
Go-
just mess it up.
Nick completely messed his up. Let me try to. Bro, how you supposed to break this down into 4 pieces? Mine breaking all the way apart.
Hold up now.
Oh damn. Oh
Hold up.
damn. You know what? We about to just get to breaking. I don't know what they talking about.
Hold up, let me do it like
What you
this.
about to do? What you about to do?
Bam, you know what I'm
Bam,
saying?
okay.
Hold up.
Okay.
Bam,
Right?
and just smush them, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Bam,
Okay.
And bam.
Okay. Look at that though. Look at that though. Master Chef Big Nick in the building.
Master Chef Big Nick, you know what I'm saying?
You feel
Hell's
me?
Kitchen in its time.
He said, "Hey, Brody's kitchen. You know this ain't no Hell's kitchen." You know what I'm
Brody's
saying?
Kitchen, baby.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. Hey, hopefully these noodles is good though.
No, it's Nick Ramsey today, baby.
Nick
Big-
Ramsey.
It's big, and it's
Brody
it's
Ramsey?
It's Christian Boy RD.
He said Christian Boy Hardy. Nick funny as hell. But fact though, I hope these damn noodles is good. I come in a package like this?
Look, bro, you gotta make sure you get all the shake,
Nick.
bro. You gotta make sure you get all the shake.
Oh, Nick, you getting on the ground, dog. Look, hey, don't lie, y'all. The ramen noodle package is silver too. I don't know, that sound like a, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much, but
I ain't gonna say too much, but it might be a little too familiar.
a little too familiar. Hey, what they say on there though? Okay, so they say Maggi
Masala.
masala, Maggi masala,
Masala.
spicy taste maker. You know what I'm saying? It say contains wheat and peanuts,
contains milk,
milk and soy. Okay, and then a whole bunch of other stuff written in fine print that I'm not about to say. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not trying to read it.
We gonna let the noodles cook first
Fact though,
before we get in.
Hold on, we need a fork real quick. We need to get this stirring. We need to get it stirring. Nigga,
You can't use the plastic in the damn thing.
Watch me use the plastic until you give me a silver. You feel me?
All right.
Until I get some silverware, I'm gonna use the plastic. Oh damn, this mug steamy, boy. Okay, bet. So we got the silverware, y'all. Look, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and replace that. You know what I'm saying? Now we good. We don't got to worry about the plastic just burnt. Oh, damn, my dreads finna get caught on fire. Shit. Oh, my God. You seen that, Nick? My dreads almost started to get burned.
I seen that, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Oh, my God. This finna be bad.
Let me hop in there.
Okay, go ahead. Hop in there, Nick. Let me hop in there. Master Chef, Big Nick.
Let me hop in there. Look.
Go ahead.
You got to hit with it.
Okay, so Nick, you telling me it's all on the flick of the wrist?
It's all in the flick of the wrist.
That's what you saying?
Look at the flick of the wrist.
Okay.
Stop playing. All right.
But how done is it though?
No, it's not done yet, bro. I
Hey.
told you, man. They said 2 minutes. Ain't no 2 minutes,
Bro, come
About
on now.
6,
Come on
bro,
now,
7.
bro. Let's hey, Brody, y'all, people at home. New subscribers, new viewers. Y'all honestly think this noodle's finna get done in 2 minutes?
No, sir.
I don't know about that. But we finna see, man. Hey, we gonna catch y'all when the noodles get done. Let's go. All right, y'all. So the noodles done. So it's time to put that masala in there.
Stop
You know what I'm
playing.
saying? Hold on.
Masala.
It didn't smell like cinnamon, bro.
It do. Hold
Hold
on.
on. Open one of the package. Open one of the package real quick, bro.
Make it in.
Let me see. Let me see one. Let me see that. Let me smell that. No, I don't know. It smells like cinnamon almost. Put them in. Hurry up though.
Scissors or something.
I don't know, Nick, you gotta hurry up, bro. At least give me one of the package or something, bro. You messing up, dog. He messing up. You gotta get the masala in there. Nick, you gotta get the masala in there, bro. Come on, dog. Come on, get that masala in there, bro. I'm gonna get the stirring and while you do that. It's hard to open or something?
It is.
Okay, I smell the spiciness, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm gonna let you know Nick, you got that everywhere, dog.
I showed you.
Nick, he got it on my finger, y'all. He got it on my damn finger. I got my. Hold on, Nick,
What?
dog. You gotta be careful. Hold on, zoom into that real quick. Nick got the goddamn packet in the goddamn noodles, y'all. I got it. He got the packet in the noodles. Nick, you can't be doing this. That's 10 points off your chef license.
Okay, 10 points off my chef license.
Okay, I gotta make sure ain't no more in there, hopefully. Yeah, bro, be careful, for sure. Be careful. Cause I ain't trying to eat no aluminum foil, Nick. I don't know about you.
We're not doing that today, bro. We're not doing that today, bro.
Go ahead, get in there. Okay. There we go. Let me get it. All these noodles. You know what I'm saying? Look, y'all gotta get that good mixture in there. You feel me? You want all your noodles to be sauced up and nice and good, juicy. You feel me? You don't want to leave no noodle out. Cause look at me, man. We always go by no noodles left behind. So in Christian's kitchen, Brody's kitchen, we ain't leaving no noodles behind, man.
Look, man, Brody's kitchen, no noodles behind.
Every piece of noodle got that sauce on it, man. Every piece, you gotta get the turn it in and stuff. Come on.
Every single
That's what's that? The last one?
It's the last one, yeah.
That's the last one. Is that everything?
Hold
All
on,
right.
let's do some more.
There's still some more? Okay. Still some more? We got what? One more pack, Nick?
No. It's just more in them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't get it all.
Bro, Nick, these look like chicken ramen noodles.
Chicken ramen noodles,
This look just like chicken ramen noodles, y'all.
Bro, you taste it kind of tastes like chicken. The chicken spice too.
For real?
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. This smell good.
It do, bro. It smells fire.
good. No cap.
On me, I think they're done, big fella.
On me, go ahead and bust out the bowls, Nick.
Here's the plate. Here's
Oh,
the plate.
that's the plate,
We're gonna
okay.
bust it all on the plate.
Okay. Hold on now.
Pause that. Pause.
Cause I don't know.
Dang,
Look, y'all.
God.
I don't know where he was going with that.
All right, Brody. All right. Get him off the thing.
It's
Burn
good.
him, man. You
Okay,
burn
yeah,
him.
he's not burning them, y'all. He's not burning them.
All right.
Man, you could have turned the burner down for me.
Man, come on. I did, man. Come on.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now look, y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
This how you cook them and you get them right, bro.
Oh God, you got cooking like this. You feel me? You want your noodles done. You feel me? Not soupy and water. Look at that. Ooh. Hopefully it smack, y'all. We finna get it into the bowl, and we gonna see what it tastes like. All right, y'all. So we finna try it for the first time, man.
It smells just like chicken ramen noodles.
I swear to God,
Just
it do. Swear to God.
Look,
Let's
man.
see. Let's
come
see.
on,
You
bro.
know what I'm saying? Huh?
3.
What we gonna do? Look, cheers.
Look, cheers.
You know what I'm saying?
3,
2, 1, go.
Bro, these are literally ramen noodles.
Bro, this tastes just like chicken ramen noodles.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie though. They put us slapping,
Hey,
dog.
it
They
looks good.
slapping.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Hold up.
Hold on,
It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy.
A little spicy?
Yeah, you get like a little. Stop chewing after you swallow it,
Uh-huh.
bro. You get like a little spicy aftertaste to it. Hold up, this is a little different. Tastes like you put like some paprika or something on it.
I kind of feel you. There's a little bit spicy on the spicier side. But it's good though. I ain't gonna lie.
I like them.
I ain't gonna lie. Masala, Maggi, Indian noodles, y'all doing y'all thing. I ain't
Y'all
gonna
doing
lie.
y'all thing, bro. Alright, bro. Look, we ain't gonna just try them, bro.
Good look. We ain't the only Americans, man. We gotta get some more Americans in here. So, Nick, what should we do?
All right, man. We're gonna go ahead and get them in here, bro. We gonna be right back when we got more people, man. Let's go. All right, brodies. We got our taste testers, man. Come on now. Let us go. Let us know. Come on, y'all. You gotta eat it, man. Come on, eat it.
My bad.
How's it tasting?
What it taste like?
Bro?
I gotta eat it for real.
You gotta eat it, bro. It's just like ramen noodles, dog. It's just like ramen noodles.
I try.
What you think, bro? What you think?
I gotta take another bite.
He gotta take another bite. Okay. What you thinking, Kevo? Kevo, what you thinking, dog?
Tastes like Mexican rice.
He said Mexican rice.
He said it tastes like Mexican rice, right? Low-key too, bro.
Right.
It's a little spicy, ain't it?
Tony, what you thinking?
Pretty bad though.
Okay. You look like you messing with it almost.
You messing with it.
It tastes like chicken ramen noodles.
Oh,
You
God,
said
it
chicken
tastes
ramen
like
noodles?
chicken
Okay.
ramen noodles,
Okay.
bro.
It tastes just like chicken ramen noodles with a little bit more spice.
Uh-huh.
Also, I don't know if it's how y'all cooked it, but the texture a little bit different.
It is a little bit
Yeah,
different.
That's how we cooked it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you good? You good, dog? You good? Oh, okay. I think you good.
Need a drink though.
Okay, but look though, is y'all eating it again? Would y'all eat it again?
I'm about to eat the rest of this plate.
Okay, he said he eating the rest of the plate. It's like that.
Smashing.
It's like that. Kevin, you eating the rest of the plate?
Yeah, I'm eating the rest of it.
He eating the rest of the plate. You eating the rest of the plate?
I'm a smash.
He smashed. Okay.
Smash it. Come on,
We
boys.
smashing.
Look,
Nigga, we
brodies,
smashed.
look. So it looked like we gonna give it a thumbs up on the Indian Maggi. You know what I'm saying, bro? That was fire, bro. Everybody's liking it. Everybody's messing with it. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Cause we got fire videos coming all month. I'm talking about 31 days of Brody, baby. We not playing, man. You know what I'm saying? Like button, man. And hit the notification bell, baby. Without further ado, we finna get up out of here. Let's go.
Oh my god, these niggas clones. Tryna take what Johnny owns. Cash out on some brand new clothes. Off white, but I put it on. All on the earth like my name Jim Jones. I got crystals on the skull and a bone.